Choosing the right toilet matters more than most people think. The wrong one clogs constantly, wastes water, and ends up costing you in repairs. In this video, we've reviewed 5 of the best toilets currently available to buy. 1. TOTO UltraMax II. The TOTO UltraMax II is the most consistently recommended toilet on the market, and for good reason. It uses TOTO's tornado flush system, 2 angled nozzles that push water in a circular motion across the entire bowl surface, leaving nothing behind. The bowl is coated with Cephiontech glaze, a super smooth ceramic finish that prevents waste and bacteria from sticking, which means less scrubbing and a cleaner bowl between uses. It flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, which is WaterSense certified, meaning it meets EPA standards for water efficiency without sacrificing power. Once the toilet sits at comfort height, around 17 inches from floor to rim, which is easier on the knees for adults and older users. A soft close seat is included. This is a one-piece design, so there are no gaps between tank and bowl where bacteria can build up. If you want one toilet that handles everything well and holds up for decades, this is it. 2. American Standard Champion 4. If your household has dealt with clogging issues, the American Standard Champion 4 was built specifically to solve that problem. It uses a 4-inch flush valve, the widest available in its class, paired with a fully glazed 2 3/8 inch trapway. That combination pushes a significantly larger mass through the bowl in a single flush. The Champion 4 earns a full 1,000 gram MAP score. That's the maximum performance flush rating used by engineers to measure how much solid waste a toilet can clear in one flush. A score of 1,000 grams is the highest rating possible. It runs at 1.6 gallons per flush, which uses slightly more water than WaterSense models, but delivers noticeably stronger clearing power. American Standard backs this toilet with a 10-year limited warranty, one of the longest offered by any major brand. This is the toilet plumbers recommend most often when a household has a history of clog problems. 3. Kohler Highline Comfort Height. The Kohler Highline Comfort Height delivers reliable, long-term performance at a price point most homeowners can justify without hesitation. It uses Kohler's Class 5 flushing technology, which is built around an aqua piston canister valve. Unlike a standard flapper valve that only opens from one side, the aqua piston opens from all 360 degrees of the valve, releasing water into the bowl from every direction simultaneously. This produces a consistent, even flush with minimal splash. The toilet flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, meeting WaterSense certification, and sits at Kohler's comfort height, approximately 16.5 inches from floor to rim, which meets ADA accessibility requirements. As a 2-piece toilet, tank and bowl are separate, making it straightforward to transport and install without assistance. Replacement parts are widely available at most hardware stores. This is a dependable long-term choice for homeowners who want Kohler quality without paying for premium features they don't need. 4. TOTO Drake 2-piece. The TOTO Drake brings the same core flush technology as the UltraMax II into a 2-piece format at a lower price, making it the practical choice when you're replacing toilets in more than one bathroom. It uses TOTO's tornado flush system with Cephiontech ceramic glaze, so bowl cleaning performance is identical to the flagship model. The 2-piece design, separate tank and bowl, makes it easier to carry upstairs or fit through tight doorways during installation, which matters in older homes with narrow hallways. It flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, is WaterSense certified, and meets ADA compliance with universal height seating. If you're a contractor, a landlord managing multiple units, or a homeowner renovating 2 or 3 bathrooms at once, the Drake gives you TOTO's proven flush performance at a price that makes sense when you're buying in quantity. 5. HOROW T0338W. The HOROW T0338W punches well above its price point for a budget 1-piece toilet. It uses a dual flush system, 0.8 gallons per flush for liquid waste, and 1.28 gallons per flush for solid waste, which keeps water usage low and meets WaterSense efficiency standards. The trapway is fully glazed and the toilet achieves a 1,000 gram MAP flush score, meaning it clears the maximum tested load in a single flush despite its lower price. The chair height sits at 17.3 inches from floor to rim, which is ADA compliant and comfortable for most adults. It comes as a 1-piece unit with a soft closed seat included. The compact footprint also makes it a reasonable option for smaller bathrooms where space is limited. While for a first-time homeowner, a rental property, or a secondary bathroom where heavy daily use isn't expected, this toilet delivers solid, reliable performance without the premium price tag.